Hola amigos, so now let us solely focus on the GATE exam. Earlier, I talked about GATE, GRE, IELTS, and TOEFL, and now I will be covering GATE only in length, and I will be covering every aspect of GATE exam from opportunities in India to abroad as well as in PSUs. Everything will be covered, okay, and some myths and you can say lies will be uh, revealed, or half truths will be completed. So if you have any query regarding GATE exam, you can contact me on above email ID, and if you have any query regarding GRE, IELTS or TOEFL, you can contact me. So let's get started with the GATE exam. So what is it actually? It is a graduate test in engineering in which your this a little portion of aptitude syllabus come, and major portion of it covers the engineering subjects, your core stream subjects. Like if you are from mechanical, your particular subjects, mechanical core mechanical subjects will be there. Okay, so you have to prepare for those core mechanical subjects and a little bit of aptitude. And if you are from electronics, then you have to prepare for the electronic subjects and a little bit of aptitude. So around we can say 80% is the core subject and 20% is aptitude. So, and who can appear for this GATE exam, or who is eligible? The third and fourth year students of undergraduate students are eligible, and even those who have backlogs, they are also eligible. I will clearly state what are the conditions for their eligibility just a while. Okay, just wait a second. So these postgraduate or master's students can also appear for this GATE exam, but keep in mind the eligibility for appearing in the GATE exam is completely different than the eligibility for admission in IIT or NIT as well as in PSUs. So who conducts this GATE exam? So these all institutes, IISc, IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, they all conduct GATE exam periodically. Like this year IIT Bombay conducted, and next year someone else will conduct. Like this the cycle keeps on going. And GATE exam is actually 3-hour exam in which you have to only focus on your screen, because it is a virtual exam in which you don't have to carry anything except your pen. Okay, so the virtual calculator will be there in the computer only, through which you have to calculate the numericals, which is the major portion of the GATE exam. And you don't have to carry your own calculator. No physical calculator is allowed. Okay, so it is not actually a national exam, it is an international exam in which these countries also take part. Students from these countries also take part, and they can take admission through their GATE score in IITs and NITs. So these Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka and UAE, they can also appear for GATE exam.